has interactive English impact your language learning journey?
Interactive English, it helps me expanding my understanding in English language through effective communication, strategies, and multi-language. Not only does interactive English give access to knowledge, but it also provide opportunity for practice in reading, writing, speaking, and listening in a safe environment. Through the use of modern technology and creative teaching strategy, interactive English improves language learning through availability, effectiveness, and enjoyment to build strong relationship with other human beings such as friends, family, and someone else. Where making mistakes is unnecessary, part of the learning process.
Reflect on how interactive English has influenced your confidence in speaking and communicating in English.
My confidence in speaking and interacting English, it has still improved little by little. As of now, I can communicate effectively. The particular reason, this is my better understanding in grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Through the development of an engaging inactive learning environment, it has the ability to understand and confidence needed in effectively explore any kind of language in international culture or cultural environment.